All right, I know I said that that last one was the last video, but I made a mistake on number 10 and I want to correct it. I misread the problem when it said a triangular sail is this. Okay, so the height of the sail is x minus 4. We got to figure out the length of the sail. Well, remember, for a triangle, to figure out the area of a triangle, you have to take, base times height divided by 2. Okay, so if this is your height, all right, so that height is going to be x minus 4 times whatever the base is or whatever the length is, divided by 2 equals what my area is, which they're saying is this. All right, you don't have to write this down, but I want to kind of walk through this with you. So in order to solve for b, I need to do two things. I need to multiply both sides by 2. So I'll get x minus 4 times b equals 32x to the fourth minus 120x cubed minus 56x squared plus 112x minus 64. Now to solve for b, I'm going to divide all this by x minus 4. All right, so I've got kind of the new one where everything is doubled. So that will cancel out over here, and I'll be left with just my base. So let's kind of look at this and rewrite this. So I'll erase all this other stuff, and we'll rewrite this. So we're still dividing by x minus 4, so I'm still going to have 4. But I'm now going to have 32, negative 120, negative 56, 112, and negative 64. So let's make sure I don't screw this up. So 32, drop, multiply. 4 times 32, that's going to be 128. So that's going to be 128. So when I add those two, I get 8. Multiply, so that's going to be 32. And so that's going to be negative 24. Multiply, so that's going to come up here and be negative 96. So I drop down 16. Multiply, so that's going to be positive 64, which will give me 0. So now, first off, there's no remainder, so that's good. Secondly, here's where I got to work backwards. Remember, here's my constant, or my remainder, constant, x squared. So my answer is going to be 32x squared plus 8x minus 24 what am I doing? Hold on, back up. Remainder. Total brain fart on my part. Remainder, constant, x squared, that was 8. And this is going to be x cubed. So this will be x cubed, x squared, x plus 16. That will be the length of the base right there. Whew. All right, end on a tough problem, but we got it figured out. Take a look at that, work through it, think through it a couple more times if you have to, then come back and talk to me. Thank you.